The following is a demonstration of Reed Manufacturing's PPJ plastic pipe joiner for gasketed pipe. Begin by positioning the movable saddle approximately 15 inches or 380 millimeters from the end of the pipe. The movable saddle can be mounted either to the pipe in place or to the piece being added. Wrap the chain around the pipe and attach a link to the hook on the unit. Tighten the screw assembly until the chain is snug against the pipe. Be sure the direction arrows on the adjustable ratchet pawls on both sides of the ratchet handle are pointing in the same direction. They should point in the direction of the desired pipe movement. Use the ratchet handle to advance the pipe until the desired level of penetration is reached. The PPJ plastic pipe joiner can also be used to separate gasketed pipe. Again, the direction arrows on the adjustable ratchet pawls on both sides of the ratchet handle need to point in the same direction. They must be in the direction of the desired pipe movement. The PPJ plastic pipe joiner will then move the pipe in the opposite direction. This concludes the demonstration of Reed's PPJ plastic pipe joiner for gasketed pipe. For more information on this tool or any of Reed's quality products, visit www.reedmfgco.com.